Did you know that contagious yawning is linked to empathy? The more empathetic you are, the more likely you are to yawn when someone else does. Mirror neurons in your brain fire when you see someone yawn, copying the action involuntarily. Psychopaths and people with antisocial personality disorder are significantly less likely to catch yawns. Even dogs can catch yawns from their owners, showing their emotional bond with humans.